When you crochet something, you crochet a bunch of stitches in either rows or rounds. The difference being that rows create something flat and rounds create something 3D. So a stitch from the outside of a fabric looks like a vertical V. In a row, it looks like this. In a round, it looks like this. When you're crocheting and need to see where to put your hook next, you can identify a stitch by looking at the rim of your piece, the edge of your piece. So a stitch from the edge of your piece actually looks like a horizontal V. In a round, it looks like this, and similarly in a row, it also looks like a horizontal V. If I wanted to count the number of stitches that I've made in this latest round, what I would do is start counting from the horizontal V that's marked by this orange stitch marker. Because I know the way I've been using stitch markers is that I use it to mark the very first stitch of whatever round I'm on. So if I go around the rim, I'm going to be counting the number of horizontal V's that I see. So in this case, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. 28 is the V that this loop for my hook traces back into. You do not count the loop for your hook as a stitch. It's the same concept when you count stitches in a row, except you usually don't use a stitch marker in rows since you can see where a row starts and ends. So I like to count starting from the V that the loop for my hook traces back into, which is this one. So this is stitch number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 stitches in this row.